Hello everyone, I am back. In this video, I'll tell you about the new attraction, that Statue of Unity. In all, 17 projects were inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. These are shown in the image. Today, I'll tell you about some of them. I'll also tell you about the fares of those attractions and ways to reach the Statue of Unity. This is the Seaplane. It is India's first seaplane which travels from Sabarmati Riverfront, Ahmedabad to Statue of Unity, Kevadia. It is owned by SpiceJet. The Ekta Mall. This mall is developed on the theme Unity in Handicraft and Handloom Diversity. It houses 20 emporia representing handloom and handicrafts of various states. The Sardar Patel Zoological Park, or also known as Jungle Safari. This big zoological park is spread across 375 acres and on 7 different levels of altitude. It houses more than 1,100 indigenous and exotic birds and animals of more than 100 species. It comprises of 29 different enclosures. It also has 2 of the world's largest geodesic dome aviaries, which include Fly High Indian Aviary, which is 150 meters long, 50 meters wide, and 15 meters high. And the second one is Exotic Aviary, which is 125 meters long, 35 meters wide, and 10 meters high. It also includes a petting zone in which we can cuddle our favorite animals, including exotic species like macaws, cockatoos, Persian cats, rabbits, guinea pigs, miniature ponies, miniature sheep, miniature goats, turkey, and geese. The Unity Glow Garden. It is spread across 3.61 acres and it has 331 decorative lighting elements, 2.41 lakh LEDs, 31 glowing animals, 125 glowing flowers, 35 trees, 4 artificial 3D foundations, and 51 interactive lighting elements. The Children Nutrition Park. It is developed in 35,000 square meters area. This splendid park also has a 600 meters long track of Nutri-Train, which takes children to various stations like Payonagri, Annapurna, Falsakhagriham, Poshanpuram, and Swasth Bharatam. Each station has a mascot like Kumar Kisan, a puppet farmer in Falsakhagriham, and Janardhan, an animated cow grazer at Payonagri. It also has 47 technology-driven attractions themed around Sahi Poshan, Desh Roshan. It also has a mirror maze, which is India's biggest. It also has 5D virtual reality theatre and augmented reality games to enhance nutritional awareness. It is also home to Bhool Bhulaiya, which is a theatre showcasing 5D movie Bhartiya Thali. The Ekta Cruise. It is a 2 decks high catamaran vessel. It will be a 40-minute cruise from Shrestha Bharat Bhavan, which is a hotel, to Statue of Unity, covering 6 kilometers. It is a vessel 26 meters in length and 9 meters of width. It can carry 200 passengers in one go. It also has a 160 square feet performance stage on the upper deck of the boat, which will be used for conducting musical and cultural events. We can also have a dinner cruise. The Cactus Garden. This garden is spread across 25 acres, which is home to more than 450 species of cacti and succulents, with 6 lakh plants representing 17 countries. It also has an octagonal dome spread across 836 square meters, which hosts some of the rare and endangered cacti and succulents. The Homestay. This project covers 52 rooms in 32 buildings of 11 villages surrounding Statue of Unity. We can live with tribal families and experience the village culture with serene nature surroundings. It will help uplift social economic conditions of tribal families. The Aarogya one. This healthy garden is spread over an area of 17 acres and has 5 lakh plants of 380 species. It also comprises of Lotus Pond, Garden of Colors, Alba Garden, Lutea Garden, Aroma Garden, Yoga and Meditation Garden, Indoor Plant Section, Digital Information Center, Souvenir Shop and Cafeteria serving Ayurvedic foods. The Riverfront Cycling Tour. This tour starts from the Valley of Flowers parking. We can ride on different types of bicycles like small frame kids bicycles or regular bicycles for adventure enthusiasts. There are also tandem bicycles tours for couples and friends, and electric cycles are there too. Dynamic lighting on Sardar Sarovar Dam. There are special lights put up on the Sardar Sarovar Dam, 3.5 kilometers from Statue of Unity. So, these are the fares for all the attractions of Statue of Unity. Have a look, friends. These are the answers to the question, how to travel to Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is 100 kilometers away from Vadodara, 200 kilometers away from Ahmedabad, and 420 kilometers away from Mumbai. We can reach Statue of Unity by road through various highways, mainly using State Highway 11 and 63. If you want to reach by rail, the nearest railway station is Vadodara Railway Station, and book a cab from there to Statue of Unity. By air, you can board the Seaplane from Sabarmati Riverfront Ahmedabad to Statue of Unity. The nearest airport is Vadodara Airport, and book a taxi from the airport to Statue of Unity, which is 90 kilometers of journey. If you are a foreigner, you can board an international flight from your country to Ahmedabad, the nearest international airport, or if flights aren't available to Ahmedabad, you can also board a flight to Mumbai and reach Statue of Unity using a cab. Thanks for watching, friends. How was my video? Please let me know in the comments below. Have you ever visited the Statue of Unity? Let me know that too. There are a few useful links in the description below. Check out that. See you all in my next video. Bye, friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share all my videos.